I talked about dandelions the other time, and people loved it enough to ask me to talk about some more. So I've been trying to decide what to talk about, and I decided to pick, this morning I decided to pick Damiana. These are Damiana dried leaves and powdered. So just to show you what it looks like. Damiana is widely known for its aphrodisiac properties. That's like a love potion. This is what you use when you're trying to stimulate libido for women, for men. It's one of the ingredients you put together when you're putting something together for erectile dysfunction, for people who are battling impotence of some sort or just need a boost. That's what it's commonly known for. Actually, right now, I think it's banned in Mexico because they are trying to preserve it. You can't take a live Damiana plant out of Mexico. It's banned now because they're trying to preserve it. It's one of the potent herbs that they actually use. So a lot of people call it the love potion. But today I'm going to tell you about other uses of Damiana outside that, why you should actually consider having it in your pantry or using it for your health or whatever it is that you need, either you're a man. So according to studies, Damiana leaves is the most important part of the plant as a whole, and the leaves contain flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, and other compounds, and all of this is what gives it the power to do what it does. So it's a stimulant, it's an aphrodisiac, and it works as a nerve tonic. It also a potential for stress relief and for people who suffer anxiety and depression. Damiana is not limited to sexual health or sex arousal and things like that. It's actually very, very known to help inhibit stress and anxiety. Excuse me. And because of that, they use it for people who are battling with depression and anxiety. It also helps regulate the menstrual cycle. It helps with delayed menses. It helps with dysmenorrhea and amenorrhea. It's also usually one of the ingredients that we put together when we are giving out herbs for acne. So if you are dealing with acne and you're taking the herbs on the inside, Damiana should be one of the ingredients that you actually use because it helps prevent breakouts. You can also use it topically on the skin along with other. Damiana also helps improve metabolism. Because of the properties, it acts as an appetite stimulant, which also helps improve digestion and metabolism, so things get to move faster. It also eases urinary tract infection. Yes, you heard me right. Damiana has both diuretic and antiseptic properties, which helps it combat urinary tract infections like cystitis, urethritis. When you combine Damiana with Uva Ursi and a few other herbs that are actually really good with that, it works better than antibiotics, and your body does not get resistant to it like the synthetic drugs. So always have that in mind. Do you know that Damiana also contains arbutin? Yes. Arbutin is transformed into hydroquinone in the body, and hydroquinone acts as an antiseptic as well. This is going into broader parts of herbal medicine, but yes, when you hear alpha arbutin that is used topically for skin lightening, they are all related. So look up Uva Ursi and you see where arbutin hydroquinone comes from. So considering that a lot of people have sensitivities and different levels of tolerance for herbal supplements, you should always consult with a herbalist to tell them what other drugs you're taking and see if they are contraindicated, or speak with your doctor and let them know what it is that you are planning to take, and they will tell you if to go ahead and take it. There are 3 different ways to take Damiana. You can take it as a tea. You can make a tea out of it, just brew it into a tea, or you can make a tincture out of it, or you can take it as a tablet. They sell the tablets in the stores too. So consult and see what's going to work out for you.